Now in this video we are going to discuss that the previous year questions from integration 2025 academic year. See, in the January shift, first question is integration of dx whole divided by x minus 1 whole to the power of 11 by 13 into x plus 15 whole to the power of 15 by 13. This model question is very important, frequently is asking in that examination. See, first how to do this question. You see here that power is here the first term power will be 11 by 13 and the next one will be 15 by 13. So you see, by observing these two, sum will be equals to 11 by 13 plus 15 by 13 is 26 by 13. So if any in this model question, if the powers are sum will be equals to 2, then you have to follow the one particular method, that is equals to integration of, here is a dx whole divided by this one will be x minus 1 whole to the power of 11 by 13, x by 11 by 13 whole divided by x plus 15 whole to the power of x plus 15 whole to the power of 15 by 13. So multiply and divided with this value. Sorry, here this one is at 11 by 13. This value is at 11 by 13. So here this one is 11 by 13 into, here is that x plus 15 whole to the power of 11 by 13 into, so here already is that you have x plus 15 whole to the power of 15 by 13. Already it is there in the question. Okay, so into dx. Now you see here in this one, by observing this one is here that base is the same, powers are the different, the sum will be equals to 26 by 13 is that 2. So and now this first term you can be write that integration of this one will be, that is equals to integration of dx whole divided by x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 15 whole to the power of 11 by 13 into x plus 15 whole square. So now you can write this one. After this one, now you take that x plus x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 15 is equals to, you take as that t. Now differentiating with respect to x, now it becomes that this value will be x plus 15 into 1 minus of, so x minus 1 into 1 whole divided by x plus 15 whole square, into dx is equals to dt. So now you solve it, here numerator by observing minus x and plus x will be cancelled. 15 plus 1 is equals to 16. So this result will be nothing but 16 by x plus 15 whole square, into dx is equals to dt. So now here you can write that is equals to, that implies dx whole divided by x plus 15 whole square is equals to 1 by 16 into dt. Now in this above, here you have that dx whole divided by x plus 15 whole square. This value can be replaced with 1 by 16 into dt. And you know x minus 1 by x plus 15, that value is that t. Substitute in that totally what is that value? That is equals to integration of 1 by t whole to the power of 11 by 1 by t whole to the power of 1 by t whole to the power of 11 by 13 into dx by x plus 15 whole square can be write that 1 by 16 into dt. So this value. Now here this one is by integrating. You can write that 1 by 16 into, here this value you can write that is equals to 1 by 16 into integration of t to the power of minus 11 by 13 into dt. So you know this, what is that integration of this value? 1 by 16 into this value is that t to the power of minus 11 by 13 plus 1, and that is equals to 2 by 13 whole divided by 2 by 13. So this value you can write that 1 by 16 into 13 by 2 into t power, this value is that 2 by 13. So now you can be substitute, that is equals to 13 whole divided by 32 into, what is that t value? T is equals to x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 15 whole to the, this is the t value, whole to the power of 2 by 13 plus c. Now suppose this one is not given in the options, by interchanging that x minus 1 and x plus 15, you can get this value is that 13 whole divided by 32 into, you can write that x plus 15 whole divided by x minus 1 whole to the power of minus 2 whole divided by 13 plus c. So your answer will be either this one or this one. So I hope that everyone is clear how to do this model question. This is the most repeated model. So we'll see that one more question in the 2025. That one is the January 24th shift one. So this model question already in previous video I discussed it in that easiest way. So how to do this one? See, this one will do that by applying the reverse method. What is meant by the reverse method? Reverse method means differentiating on both sides. Here we can find out that alpha value and beta value. See, if you know alpha and beta, you can find that alpha plus 2 beta value. See, now how will you do? In the simple method is differentiating on both sides. After differentiating, the left hand side integration will be cancelled. This one will be nothing but 2 into x square plus 5 into x plus 9 whole divided by root of x square plus x plus 1. So this model question frequently is asking in the mains examination. So please everyone be careful while doing this question. See here the right hand side derivative. This is that x into root of x square plus x plus 1. Now you apply that product rule. That is that 1 into, this value is that 1 into root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, and next one is x into plus x into, this one is that root x square plus x plus 1, derivative is that 1 by 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 into derivative of x square plus x plus 1 is that what? That will be nothing but 2x plus 1. Okay, so this is the derivative of this one. Plus next alpha into, alpha is the constant. So here this derivative will be 2x plus 1 whole divided by, so root of 2 into root of, this value is that x square plus x plus 1. Okay, and next one is that plus beta into, here this is that 1 by log derivative log x form, 1 by x plus 1 by 2, x plus 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, into, it is that into x plus 1 by 2 derivative is that 1 plus root x square plus x plus 1 derivative is nothing but 2x plus 1 whole divided by 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1. So this one is that a derivative of log of x plus 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus 1. So I hope that everyone is clear this value. Now you see very clearly here in this part here from numerator you take that 2 is the common, and here also in the numerator you take that 2 is the common. Here also in the numerator you take the 2 is the common. So then what will happens by taking the 2 is the common? See, look at this one here, 2 into x square plus 5 into x plus 9 whole divided by square root of x square plus x plus 1. This is the left hand side value is equals to, here this right side value is the root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, plus here in the second term numerator, if you take the 2 is the common, denominator 2 and numerator 2 will be cancelled. X into this value will be x plus 1 by 2 whole divided by this one will be the root of x square plus x plus 1. I hope everyone is clear this one, plus alpha into, so here also x plus 1 by 2 whole divided by x root of x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1, plus the next one is that what, beta whole divided by this one will be x plus 1 by 2 plus root of x square plus x plus 1. This is that first part in this one. Next into, here after taking the 2 is common, you take LCM, it becomes at a root of x square plus x plus 1. Okay, plus here after taking the 2 is common, it becomes at x plus 1 by 2 whole divided by, here this one is at a root of x square plus x plus 1. So I hope this one is very clear to all of you. Now after this one, you see here this denominator part and here this numerator part will be the cancel. And what is the remaining value? Here that will be equals to, left hand side will be the 2 into x square plus 5x plus 9. 5x plus 9 whole divided by root of x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1 is equals to, this one will be the root of x square plus x plus 1, x plus 1 plus, here this one will be the x square plus 1 by 2 into x whole divided by root of x square plus x plus 1, plus the next one is that alpha into x plus 1 by 2 whole divided by root of x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1, plus the next part will be that what, beta whole divided by root of x square plus x plus 1. Now you take that LCM on both sides. Here the left hand side value will be what, that will be the 2 into x square plus 5x plus 9 whole divided by root of x square plus x plus 1, root of x square plus x plus 1 is equals to, right side after taking the LCM, x square plus x plus 1 plus x square plus x by 2, x square plus x by 2, 1 by 2 into x, plus alpha into x plus 1 by 2 whole divided by, this value will be plus beta whole divided by, this one will be the root of x square plus x plus 1. So now you see both sides LCM will be the cancel. So here this part and this one will be the cancel. What is the remaining value? Here the remaining value will be 2 into x square plus 5 into x plus 9 is equals to, here the right side numerator part x square plus x square will be there 2 into x square, x plus x by 2 will be 3 by 2 into x, okay, plus, and next one is that alpha x, here is that alpha into x, next one is that alpha into x plus alpha by 2 plus beta, alpha by 2 plus beta. You see, in the required value you want to find that alpha plus 2 beta value how much. Now very simple, comparing the constant on both sides, comparing constant on both sides, comparing constant on both sides. So what will be, get this value on both sides, on both sides. So then what is that value? So you have that alpha by 2 is equals to alpha by 2 plus beta is equals to, this value is that how much, this value will be equals to and 9. So this value is that 9. And one more thing, so you observe that here one more constant is there, plus 1 is also there in that question. So you have that, this is that 1 plus. Now take that LCM, this value is that 2 plus alpha plus 2 beta by 2 is equals to 9. Cross multiply, this value is that 18. Now you get that, so alpha plus 2 beta is equals to, alpha plus 2 beta is equals to 18 minus 2. 18 minus 2 is equals to what? That is equals to 16. Therefore, alpha plus 2 beta is equals to, your answer will be equals to how much? That is equals to 16. Suppose if you want only alpha value or beta value, now comparing that coefficient of x square and coefficient of x and constant on both sides, you can get that separately what is that alpha value and the beta value. So I hope it is that very clear to all of you. It is the most important question, so frequently asking in that mains examination, and sometimes the same question, same kind of model questions are asking in that advanced level also. So looking, the question is the lengthy, but it is that very simple by using that reverse method. Most of the students will be follow that only that general method. General method means left hand side splitting that in that this different parts. After that they will do that integration, but compared to that method, so the reverse method is that very simple method. So finally your answer is that what? Your answer will be that 16 is your right answer. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.